even step on it.
Wow. This is gonna be heard fucking all over the world.
Open headers.
Are you guys ready for this shit? Good, we're good. Let's go. Alright, so today is the day. Finally, we're gonna try to install these headers. Never done this before for any type of car. It's gonna be my first time, but let's get it done. A lot of my friends don't believe I could pull this off. So we're just gonna start by spraying these babies up. Yes, a lot of my friends don't think I can pull this off. It's like, oh, you know what, just take it to the shop that I know. Like, no, I'm not gonna pay $500 for somebody to put headers in my car. Looks like we have a missing bolt right here. Just like everybody says, oh, I hope it's not cracked in there. I really don't. Let me see. I can't tell. Oh yeah. Yeah, that don't look too good. It's all good. Whew. Thank God nobody had this, so I could borrow it. Yeah, so basically, I pulled out the spark plugs on both sides. I started unbolting all of them. It's coming out like butter. The only problem here is this heat shield is kind of in my way. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, the heat shield is in the way, so I'm gonna try to figure something out. Alright guys, so far I pulled out the headers. Now I'm just gonna jack it up and pull them out from the bottom. So there it is, I finally took this sucker out. This is unfortunately the left side of the car, and then the right side is the hard part. Okay, so basically these lines right here are on the way, so it makes it a lot harder to take out. A little bit of a side by side. This one's probably like, I'd say 30 pounds, and this one is very extremely light. Can't even say 10 pounds or something. Yeah. Oh, my bad. All right guys, so I finally managed to get these things on. My God, this side was a pain. I had to take off the cat first and then the header, but yeah, as you can tell, they're all in, looking pretty good. Let's start this baby up. Open headers. Woo! Imagine rolling like this every day.
Fucking crazy.
Oh my God. I'm fucking dead.
Bro, I didn't even step on it.
Wow. This is gonna be heard fucking all over the world.
Open headers.
Are you guys ready for this shit? Good, we're good. Let's get the fuck out of here. Cops are coming for sure.
Ew.
How many cops were called right now?
I
gotta go. So I got those headers in. Everything's running open header right now, so it's super loud. I'm not gonna touch the car because I will get in trouble so quick. So I'm just gonna wait for the muffler shop to open, get it welded up, and that's pretty much it. You ready for part 2? That's when I'm gonna weld it up. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.